There is sadhana, meditation, and then there is puja. Pujas are done throughout India as a kind of offering to the divine. They are done actually for different reasons. They may be done around a certain event or ceremony. Ceremony is a part and parcel of human life. All cultures have ceremonies. Even for the fishing boats to go out into the sea, there will be a ceremony to affirm that the sailors, and to get divine grace, that the sailors will come back from the ocean. And human beings have developed ceremony around many different types of experience. The Guru Puja is widely used ceremony that is in honor of your relation to the divine. Because when the divine being is present near you, that requires you to let go in order to experience divine presence. The one primary element in sadhana is surrender. As I have said last night, divinity is not something you can achieve. Divine presence isn't something to be acquired as you acquire money, as you acquire things, as you acquire friends. You do not acquire the divine by your own effort. It is impossible. Because as long as you, I, the I feeling, the I individual is in charge, there is a fundamental contradiction. You are limited by your own body, mind, I feeling experience, isn't it? So in that experience, you cannot acquire something larger than your experience of individuality by asserting your individuality. The only way to connect with the divine is to surrender your individuality. Surrender your hopes, your dreams, your fears, your struggles, your sense of I as a body, I as a mind, I as a personality. Surrender it. Let go. When you can really let go, that's when you know divinity. In the Yoga Sutras, Patanjali says, you can do so many practices, and he outlines different practices to do, or you can surrender to God. Just that. That's all you need, nothing else. Surrender to God. If you can really do that, that's all that's required. Because when you surrender, when you let go, when you really, really let go, that divinity is right there. It's always been there. That divine one loves you unconditionally. And that divinity is always present. But you don't feel it because you are too busy ensuring your safety, your well-being, your happiness, and struggling to acquire and avoid what you are afraid of. And you're so busy with this and sensory experience. You're so busy being embodied as a unique individual that you forget. So the reason Guru Puja is done, it is an opportunity to surrender everything that you have. First, you say, Lord, you are permeating this world, all manifestation and the unmanifest. You are everywhere. You are the substance of all that is. And to that one who is the substance of all that is, I surrender. And you are the one who removes knowledge, removes darkness, opens the eyes from ignorance to truth. To that one who does this, I surrender. I will accept your guidance. I will accept the awakening from ignorance. I surrender to you. I surrender my ignorance. And who is this one? This one is the creator, the preserver, the destroyer of illusions. It is none other than the God of gods, the divinity, the supreme, the Parama Brahma. To that one who is the God of gods, the one divinity, I surrender my all and everything. And in the final stanza is the recognition that this one, that all that I am, all that I have, all that I have thought is mine, my I feeling, my personality, my body, my life that I have built, everything. Oh Lord, this is actually given by you, composed of you, exists in you, is already yours. I surrender to you what is already yours. For there is in reality no individuality, because all beings are the expression, the play of that Divine One, taking countless forms, as you are also that divine consciousness, embodying in the dream of creation, in the mind of the great dreamer. And if you would awaken from the dream, in the end there is only one path. There are many paths, many spokes to the wheel. There is the knowledge to train the mind, the love to open the heart, the service to living beings, to destroy the seeds of ignorance and selfishness. But in the end, there is only one path. Doesn't matter what is your religion, what type of meditation you do. There is only surrender. Letting go. And by letting go of all that you thought you have known, all that you have identified as you, letting go of everything, surrendering it at the lotus feet of the infinite being, of the self of yourself. Then you awaken. Then grace falls on you, and the resistance is gone. Puja, Guru Puja, is an offering, many times depicted as a lotus flower, offered to the feet of the one infinite being, the true self of all beings, the Christ, the Buddha, the Guru divine, the self of yourself, the one who is all beings, permeating the manifest universe and the unmanifest, who kindly destroys the ignorance you're bound in and gently lifts you from your bondage to come close. The one who expresses in the creation, the one who is all that is in the universe, and the one who dissolves the ignorance of illusion so that you may know your own true nature. That is the Guru to whom you surrender. Many are the names. One is the true self. There is no God but God.